It's another great quarter for Walmart. I think we keep talking about the investments that the company's been making. And when you post numbers like this, it validates that investment thesis. The company's running on all cylinders. I've covered the company for a long time, and I don't recall a period where it's been running this well, given what's happening in retail on the whole, when you've got the Amazon effect, et cetera. This is an out-of-the-park quarter for Walmart.
I will tell you, I've heard from suppliers that it's getting tougher and tougher with both Walmart and Amazon. A lot of this is because of private label, so it's always been that the Walmarts and the Amazons have a lot of headway and a lot of leeway and a lot of control, but it seems like they're kind of calling the shots on everything right now.
Yeah, if you're a vendor, and you know, I've heard a number of 300 plus, it's probably higher than that, vendors with operations in Bentonville, which gives you an idea of how important Walmart is to the vendors. I can't imagine there's a vendor out there for which Walmart is not the most important customer, and that gives Walmart a lot of power. You know, size has advantages. Amazon has the advantage with working capital in the payment cycle generating, you know, massive amounts of cash. Walmart has a similar phenomenon going on. Walmart's also had the ability to, I don't want to use the wrong word here, but to entice its vendors to be a little more beneficial to Walmart on price, and that's a big advantage.
Which means when Courtney's talking to the CFO and he's saying he's less concerned about tariffs, it's because they can spread the pain around to a lot of other places.
Well, they can spread the pain around to a lot of places, but also it's not like Walmart will be isolated in dealing with the tariffs. It's going to be an issue that ripples throughout retail and other industries as well. So everybody's going to kind of be in the same boat, and Walmart, in my opinion, will be able to execute better than just about anybody else.
Can you be able to just, if it's a 3% GDP in the United States and unemployment is so low, Walmart's just so big, it's going to be reflected, the better operating environment overall, right? I mean, there's concerns for retailers, but Walmart, out of all of them, just seems like they benefit from the consumer being flush.
Again, the scale, the financial flexibility, the balance sheet, all that, management quality, vendor power, you put it all into the soup, and it's a real tasty bowl of soup here for Walmart. They've got levers they can pull, and, you know, it's kind of hard to outrun Walmart in anything.
More of a stew, I think, than just certainly not a broth, right? It's even more of a...
It's probably like a beef barley, you know, a heavy soup. But
Charlie, Mark Gloria said that, you know, Walmart could buy maybe up to 40 of these e-commerce companies.
Yeah.
Do you think that that's a safe bet? Should they be doing that? That's certainly not free. A lot of these companies are small. I know you look at the debt of Walmart, but yes, they are generating a lot of cash quarter after quarter.
You know, Flipkart used up, I think when I was here last time, I said Walmart has some runway, and they do. What Walmart's been able to do historically in my 15-plus years covering the company is throw the share repurchase lever when they need to. They can dial it back if they have to. They're kind of doing that right now with the Flipkart transaction. But tactical acquisitions that are strategically sensible, yeah, there's room for Walmart to do some of that. I think you'll continue to see that. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't the company continue to buy expertise? You know, Mark's comments about that, Mark was really the first one that Walmart did that with when they bought Jet and paid a lot for it. But they got Mark and his team. And you can't put a price tag on industry expertise these days. And some of these niche online businesses, you know, the Bonobos, the Moose Jaws, they bring a lot to the table other than just the revenue. They bring expertise and insight into the consumer. And I think that's something that Walmart will continue to leverage and to exploit.